Alright, so let's do our liquid side. We don't make a mistake. Go ahead and put that on. Uh-oh. Alright. This Kinepix reamer on their cutters is absolutely awesome. Just like everything Kinepix makes. Alright, so we go on. Make sure we're setting flush. That. Look at that flare. If there's one tool that I can absolutely recommend, it is this flaring tool by Navac. This thing has absolutely been amazing. So let's go ahead and get our Navac on here. So we will torque those up, clean everything else, and let's get on to the electrical.